Barefoot grounding, otherwise known as earthing, is the practice of making physical contact with the Earth's surface, typically by walking or standing on soil, on grass, on dirt, sand, or any other natural material. People who are proponents of grounding and earthing have some massive claims of different health benefits. And though the scientific evidence out there is limited, I've done hours of research, and I'm gonna give you a list of the 6 top benefits that people claim might happen when you ground. So let's dig in. Number 1, electron transfer. Did you know that the Earth actually has a negative charge due to its free electrons? Very scientific. While our bodies can actually absorb positive charges from various sources, such as electronic devices, stress, and just inflammation. When you make direct skin contact to the Earth's surface, it's believed that the electrons from the Earth's surface can actually counteract the positive charges that are in our body, neutralizing the excess positive charge. Pretty interesting, right? Number 2 is inflammation reduction. There's some studies out there suggesting that by just grounding, it can actually help to lower your body's inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with many health conditions, and proponents of grounding are suggesting by simply grounding every day, it can help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Another cool way to lower your inflammation is by simply jumping into an ice bath. Now, this is an ice barrel behind me where I do my morning ice baths every day, and cold water therapy has also had some really cool studies lately showing how it reduces inflammation. So if you'd like more information on the ice barrel, I'll post links in the description below that take you to those videos as well. Number 3 is improvement in sleep. Now, this is a big one. There is anecdotal evidence and limited research suggesting that if grounding can actually help with your sleep, it's thought that by grounding, it can actually help to reset your circadian rhythm, reduce stress, and promote relaxation, which can lead to better sleep. Hey, the cool thing is this isn't a subscription you have to pay for or a tattoo you have to get. You can simply just try this. There's no harm in standing in the grass, right? Unless you're allergic to the grass, which if that's the case, I'm sorry. Number 4, pain reduction. Some people are reporting relief from pain, especially chronic pain, when they practice grounding regularly. This mechanism is not entirely understood, but it may be related to reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Isn't it interesting how animals absolutely love just laying on the grass and rolling around in it? No, don't lick. Makes you wonder if they know something we don't. Hey, real quick, if the reason you're watching this video is because you're looking for a way to maybe eliminate some pain, grounding is a great choice, but I want to introduce you to my friends over at PlayOn Relief. Now, I'm very interested in companies that create products that help with pain relief that's all natural. There's only 5 ingredients, and what I love about PlayOn Relief is they are all natural ingredients. It's something you can very easily spray on the area of pain. It'll smell good, it'll feel good, it'll have a cooling menthol effect, but there's natural arnica in this, which will help with that pain relief. So if you're like me and you're interested in natural products that actually work, check out PlayOn Relief. I will post the link in the description below. But now, let's get back to grounding. Number 5, you might experience a reduction in your overall stress. Grounding is believed to have a calming effect on the nervous system, which may help to reduce stress and anxiety. This effect could be related to the regulation of cortisol levels, which is a hormone related to stress. And it's said that grounding helps to regulate cortisol levels. Well, I'm sold. And finally, number 6, an improvement in circulation. Walking or standing on natural surfaces could stimulate the feet, which could cause an increase in blood flow. It may also help with balancing out your autonomic nervous system, which can impact your overall health and well-being. So there you have it, the 6 potential benefits to grounding. And really, what do you got to lose? At the end of the day, if it gets you outside in the sun and into nature, is there really anything bad that could happen from that? I hope this video was a little bit helpful. Maybe you could share it with a friend who thinks you're an absolute nut for getting outside and grounding every morning like me. But if you like this video, please hit that little like button. Consider subscribing to the channel because there's plenty more where this came from. I'm just getting started. And if you hate this video and think I'm an idiot, please post that in the comments below. I love to engage with you. And if you have any questions off record you want to ask me, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. That's @DMossJr. Hey, I appreciate all you for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day. I'll see you on the next video, and God bless.